Alright, we have one of the important packages to talk about. We have some boxes to open from FTP. We also have quite a few basketballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's way too many basketballs. Anyways, I think I might have some more in these, and I also have my personal FTP basketball as well. Of course, already pumped up. So, anyways, I have to try to find the other package that is extremely important to talk about today. That way I can give you guys a little bit of information, because we're going to be showing off some FTP that is unreleased. Yes, you heard it. Unreleased FTP. I don't know why my fucking hair keeps standing up. It literally stands straight up. But anyways, we're going to get into this unboxing, and then we're going to talk about these beautiful FTP DCs. And I'm going to give you my opinions, because I have both pairs, and I'll talk about how I acquired those and all of that fun stuff. But first of all, let's crack into this package. So, a couple of things we have in this box. This box, I put some other items in there, but I got the FTP Good Company collaboration. Like, this is a medium, so this isn't going to be a personal piece, so I'm kind of like, I don't know, I don't really want to open this. They didn't have a large, so I just acquired what I could, I guess. And I mean, I guess I should try it on, but I do want to keep this piece. Like, it's a really sick piece. For a good time, call 212-966-0903, and then it has, I believe, the address for the Good Company. But then obviously it's FTP, the Good Company. This was a exclusive, like, little FTP Good Company pop-up. Super low-key. There wasn't a lot of talk about it. If you follow FTP pretty, like, religiously, then you might have heard it. If you follow FTP, like, fairly religiously, I think it was posted, I don't even know if it was posted by Zach. I know it was posted by some people from FTP, but either way, I think it was a pretty sick collaboration. You also have this right here, which says Good Company or Good Co, and then it says FTP. It's kind of funny because a lot of people like the first t-shirt that I showed you. I actually kind of like this one more. I don't know, this is kind of more my vibe. Reminds me of like an old Snoop Dogg album or something. I think it's pretty sick. You have the Colt 45 tee right here, which is just an FTP t-shirt that says Colt 45. A lot of you guys have probably already seen that. I might do a photo series with that, I'm not quite sure. Oh, this piece is sick. This is a personal cop. So this right here is the Ftp Purse Jacket. As you can see, it says FTP right there in that kind of like old English style font, and then on the back, once again, it says "Shut up!" Anyway, it says FTP, has a little hearse, and it says hearse rental first to the finish, and this is an actual sewn in patch. Definitely a sick little work jacket for sure. There are some pieces that I acquired for resale, like for example these FTP socks. I'm going to sell those, so if you took an L, I will be posting those on Robotus and Poppy. Yes, Robotus and Poppy is still up and running. I just haven't had time to post because I've had a bunch of family issues. So if you want a chance to acquire some of this stuff for a fairly decent price, better than you will find anywhere else, make sure you follow Robotus and Poppy. It's going to be somewhere on the screen and in the description below. I know some little is gonna be like, oh dude, you shouldn't be selling FTP. Dude, get out of the suburb. Understand that my mom's got medical bills to pay, alright? I will sell crack to your fucking grandchild, alright? Anyways, this right here is the Burning White House tee. This tee is fucking fire. So I have a really funny story about this. I could clickbait this shit out of this video and be like, FTP copied me. They didn't copy me at all, but I do have, literally, I promise you, a design for, like, I did this design so long ago. My boy Corrupt, if he's watching, he can let you guys know in the comments. Literally over a year ago, a year and 2 months ago, I believe from now, maybe a year and a month ago, I did a very similar design to this. However, I never posted it. So there's no way FTP knew that I did this design. The similarities between the two are very, very similar. But like I said, I've never shown that online. Like, no one knows that I have that design from over a year ago. And so I just thought that was hella sick. So like, to me, I really fuck with this tee. I know some people were saying that they don't really like it as much because it's not branded. I do agree. It'd be kind of sick if they put like FTP right here. I don't know, maybe I'll show you guys someday. Maybe I'll actually drop that t-shirt. But regardless, super sick tee. I got that in olive and black. That was definitely copyable. That wasn't one of the more hyped tees, and not a lot of people knew that was even dropping anyways. This piece was slept on, bro. I actually think this piece is kind of hard. I haven't really decided if I'm going to keep it or not. Now, obviously, you can't get it, so, yeah, I don't know. I just know I wanted a picture in this, and I'm kind of hoping that they drop, like, purple pants to match with this, because that would be so sick. But for some reason I actually thought this was a puffer half zip, but it's actually a full zip puffer coat. And as you can see, it just has this little pocket right here that says FTP. Definitely a sick piece. I kind of fuck with it. I will say I feel like this netting is kind of useless. Yeah, this netting serves no purpose whatsoever. Regardless, I like that. I think it's kind of sick, and I think a lot of people were just, I don't know, sleeping. I feel like if he did purple pants, like purple all over FTP pants, that'd be a fit. I only got one sticker this time. Never mind, I got way more than one sticker. At first I was kind of sad that I only got one sticker. But anyways, FTP, you. FTP, a lot of people like this graphic. I was indifferent. I kind of like the Suicidal Thoughts tee they did, what was that, like 8 drops ago? Better than that, but kind of a similar vibe with like cartoony characters that are like killing each other or themselves. This is LA County Psych Ward. This is sick. FTP checkered little logo sticker, FTP sticker, Hell on Earth, and then bam, once again, the burning White House sticker. For the rest of the stickers, I'll just go over those at the end. But anyways, let's crack it into this box. All right, so once again, we have yet another basketball. I got so many freaking basketballs. And then way better quality in person for sure. The FTP smiley face clock. This thing is fucking sick. It does need a battery, of course. This is one of those pieces that I might end up selling. I haven't quite decided. I don't really know where I'd put it on my walls, to be honest. Like the FTP basketball, I've known about that coming out, so when I moved in here, I planned on, like, I've had an open spot for that because I wanted to have that just like proud on display. As for the clock, I don't really have a set spot for that. It doesn't really go with anything. I guess it would look kind of cool next to these plants though. I don't know. I haven't quite decided. I may end up selling it. If I do, then of course it will be posted on Robotus and Poppy as I said previously, but I will know within a month. We got more stickers. I'll go over those at the end, and then cracking into the last box before we get into the unreleased items. There's my knife. I'm a little scatterbrained right now because I have a flight to catch to LA. Anyways, tons of accessories. So here we got yet another basketball. I forgot that I ordered those. We have the Hearst keychain. We have an FTP Zippo, which I actually have 2 of these. I don't know where my other one is. That's gonna piss me off. I had someone copy one, so that's why I have 2. We have this lanyard, and this lanyard is fucking sick because it's not only a lanyard, but it also has a bottle opener. Yeah, I'm kind of easy to impress. Originally, I got this to sell, but I did not know this had a bottle opener, so now I'm kind of faced with the dilemma of whether or not I keep this or sell this, and yeah, that's upsetting. Anyways, we got the FTP Belt. This is fire. Oh, this is so fucking hard. For those of you that don't know, this FTP Belt has FTP like embossed or debossed throughout the entire belt. Super sick, super subtle, just kind of like a dope way to support the brand. By the way, just so you know what the FTP Zippo looks like, it's a chrome Zippo that has FTP engraved into it. Definitely a good way to light your blunts. And then bam, we got some more tees, a couple stickers. The tees we got this Hearst tee, the Hell on Earth tee, and then this is the this is the child support tee right here. I think I'm probably gonna keep this Hearst tee, but I was kind of bummed because I got it in a navy, and yeah, I didn't really want it in a navy. Now, on to the thing that you guys care about most, the FTP DCs. I don't know what you guys think about this pair. This pair is not really my vibe as much as the other pair, which are these ones right here. You guys may have seen these on my Instagram. I posted them forever ago. Not really forever ago, like probably like 2-3 weeks ago, maybe even a little bit longer than that. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, change your life. Go follow me on Instagram at the Starlife. That's TheStarrlife. That'll be somewhere on the screen and in the description below. But yeah, I took a fire photo in these. I've got a couple more photos that I will be posting if they are not posted already. But regardless, these shoes are fire. Like, hands down, I don't care what you say. There's no argument. These DCs go crazy. You got the FTP little toe box right here. Has the FTP all over print. Then you have all these different panels. This right here where the laces are is somewhat translucent. It's just sick, bro. You got DC embossed or debossed right there. I do wish it had FTP maybe debossed right there, but I mean, fuck, how many FTP brandings can you ask for? And then of course it's got the icy bottom soles, FTP. These will be yellow soon. Can't wait, because that'll just show exactly how much they get worn. Don't forget about the insoles. The insoles, of course, do have FTP all over print with DC, and then you have the same like kind of translucent rubber DC right there. Now, how do you guys get these? Whether you like either pair, I'm gonna talk more about this pair in a second, because my opinions about this pair I'm kind of on the fence about, but they've kind of grown on me. Anyways, I'll talk about that. But before I talk about that, there is a pop-up in LA September 22nd. I was hoping to go. I was invited to go. However, I cannot make it. So a lot of people ask, obviously, like, yo, how did you get these shoes? Like, how did you get both pairs early? How are you team early? I'm not gonna disclose my source, but a lot of people were asking if it's Zach. No, it's not Zach. I fucking wish it was Zach. Zach, if you're watching this, please hit me up. You know what I'm saying? I'll gladly take a Fredo tee, a black one, size large, off of your hands. Fucking size XL, XXL. I'll shrink it. I'll wash that thing. I don't care. Please, if you have one, if you're watching this, bless me. If you're a subscriber and you want to sell me one for retail or just not ridiculously rate prices, then hit me up. It's a collaboration with a huge company. Obviously, a lot of people work at DC. DC is a legendary shoe company. When I was into BMXing, I used to wear a lot of shoes like this. I was more into DVS at the time, but I used to wear a lot of thick shoes like this, and seeing these in person and actually like feeling them, it honestly kind of like, although something like this isn't normally like the style that's cool today, I'm kind of fucking with it just because it reminds me of what I used to wear when I would BMX. One of the big reasons I liked shoes like this when I was BMXing was because they were durable. Like seeing these in person and kind of seeing shoes that I would rock back in the day kind of just, honestly, they just make me want to get back on a bike. As you can see, it's got the DC embroidery right there on the outside with the FTP embroidery right there on the inside. Also, it has this FTP logo right here. It's almost like a metallic or plastic logo on the toe box. It has FTP stamped on the back, and then it says DC Shoe Co. USA right there. Yo, DC, if you ever want to give me that Rob Dyrdek sponsorship, let me know. When I first saw these, I was not a fan just because it's not what I would normally wear these days, but like I said, it just kind of takes me back to the old days when I would BMX, and so like, I don't know, I'm kind of fucking with it low-key. I definitely fuck with these a lot more. These are a lot more wearable. When it comes to these, I'll probably just end up using these when I start BMXing again, because I have been kind of wanting to get back into it. Even if I don't get back into like jumping, like I would like to just get a BMX bike to ride around. Like, I miss cruising on a little 20-inch little BMX frame. Regardless, sick-ass collab. I'm stoked to see FTP do more collaborations with big companies like DC. Honestly, the fact that DC collaborated with FTP kind of just makes me fuck with DC even more. Definitely not a collaboration I saw coming, just because all of the other FTP shoes that we've seen in the past were Huff collaborations. So I'm kind of excited to see what FTP does in the future and what collaborations we see coming from the future. Hopefully, like I said, Zach, if you're watching this, if you want to bless me with the FTP Fredo tee, I would appreciate it, brother. But anyways, yeah, I think, oh, sorry. I almost forgot to go over the stickers. Or the rest of the stickers, since I already went over the other ones. We have the Hell on Earth little graphic that was on that t-shirt. That's an order number. We have the Fuck You sticker, a little yellow and blue, that's kind of fire. FTP logo sticker, another Burning White House sticker, FTP checkered little logo sticker, another little FTP couples fighting sticker, psych ward sticker, and then of course two more FTP logo. We got the checkered little FTP logo sticker, and then the blue and yellow. So anyways, that is everything. Hopefully you guys liked the video. At the time of posting this, I'm probably in London. So if you would like to see those vlogs, of course, smash that like button. Thank you guys so much from the top and bottom of my heart. Huge shout out to FTP just in general. I think you guys are killing it. I'm really excited to see what you guys do in the future. And yeah, I'm really bummed that I could not make it out to the pop-up, because I'm telling you, the last pop-up was sick. If you are going to the FTP pop-up, you're gonna have a good time. Just enjoy it. Like, the people there are so chill, and honestly, like, I love the people from the Supreme line and the FTP line, but the FTP line is just like, it's a vibe. Everyone there is mad chill. It's just cool as hell, man. It's tons of like real cool ass people. Like I said earlier, of course, there are going to be some items that I sell. If you guys would like to buy those, make sure you follow me on Robitussin Poppy. That's gonna be somewhere on the screen and in the description below. Also, most importantly, make sure you follow me on my personal Instagram, which is The Star Life. That's TheStarRlife. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. And as always, keep living the Star Life.